Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make some cool hexagon quilted panel. I'm using Kaya here, it's a dark olive, and then we're gonna use Pellon foam. So I hope you enjoy the video. In front of me it's a vinyl and the size is 15 by 15. It's a square. So first thing that we're gonna do, like usual, I like to find the middle marking, and then I like to draw from the middle and work my way out. Since this is a 15 by 15, so our middle point will be at 7.5. So let's do that first. Today I'm gonna be using chalk. I sharpened this one, or you can use one of these, that will work too. The reason being because the vinyl that I'm using, it's kind of porous. It has texture, they're not smooth. So I don't like using silver pen because then the silver ink might go in the tiny grooves, the texture of the vinyl, and it'll be hard to come off. So that's my 7.5 right here. Seven and a half. So we're gonna mark 7.5 on each side. Okay, now we got our marking. We're gonna draw that line. We're gonna connect those dots and make our lines. Okay. Since I like a thin line, so I'm gonna use this one instead. Perfect. Okay. Before we continue with our vinyl, I want to show you the design that I have in mind in a piece of paper. So this is just a scrap paper. I fold it in half and then I fold them again to find that middle point, just like our vinyl. So I want my hexagon to be 4 inches long and 2 inches wide. So it's not a symmetrical hexagon, it's more like elongate hexagon. So I'm gonna mark right here. I'm gonna draw a line, make it easier so it's visible on the cameras. Okay, that's my middle. So we're gonna have 4 inches long hexagon. So 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. Mark right here. So this is our starting point. This is the fourth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 inches. And then I want it 2 inches wide. Right here and right here. Now, the hexagon, now I got the 4 points. I'm gonna make another points right here. So I'm gonna put a mark right here, an inch going up, an inch going down. Do the same thing with this one. An inch here, an inch here. So now we have 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. That's what our hexagon is gonna look like. I'm gonna connect the dot right here. Just like that. So from the middle, we're gonna mark 2 inches up, 2 inches down. And also from the middle, we're gonna mark 1 inch to the left, 1 inch to the right. And then from this left and right marking, we're gonna find 1 inches up and 1 inches down. And then we got our connect right here. So now we got our pattern right here. We're gonna cut this out. And we're gonna use this as a template. You can use that cutting mat from Dollar Tree. That thing works good too. So I can easily transfer it here. If I have a Sharpie, okay, I have a Sharpie right here. I'm gonna use, let's not waste this. Make our template. Perfect. Now we're gonna cut it out. Perfect. Now we got the shape that we wanted. We can transfer it here. So I'm gonna make more grids. Let's do it every inch. So now I'm gonna put my point right there and my point right here. From here, I'll do my mark. I'm gonna mark right here, right here, right here, and right here. And then we're gonna continue, guys. Here, mark right here, mark right there, mark right there. Yeah, this template helps so you don't have to do, you don't have to use the ruler and marking dots the whole way. Okay, I'm gonna fast forward the video and then show you the final product. Okay, now our drawing complete. I'm gonna put this template right here. The way that we're gonna stitch this, we're gonna rotate them like this. So you see this lace is going vertical. So we're gonna stitch from here, right there, all the way up. When you get all the way up right here, you go straight this way and then come back down. So we're only gonna stitch this lace 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 laces. Okay, today I'm gonna use gray. Like usual, I'm gonna start from the middle so my foam set. So we're gonna do zigzag. Okay, I'm gonna pick this one. Yeah, I'm using my industrial today. I haven't played with it for a while, so it's nice to keep the machine active. Okay. Make sure I'm on the right dot. I think I do. I'll go this way. This way. A little bit, one more. Right there. I'm gonna go this way. Good. Smidge. And then twist. From here, I'm going to go straight. Go zigzag again. Smidge. There. A little overboard right there. Get back right there. That's it. Our first lace is done. Now we're gonna do 3 more times, just like it. Once we do all this lace, we're gonna turn it back where you see this hexagon right here, and then we're gonna stitch the straight line. Okay, now we're done with our laces, all this 4. We can rotate it back to see our hexagon again. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna stitch the straight line to build that hexagon right here, top to bottom. So you basically, if you see all these diamonds right here, so you're stitching through the diamonds. Let's do that now. Okay, so I already stitched this diamond across this way. Now I'm gonna rotate it this way and then stitch it across the diamond again, but on the other way. Okay, so that's it. It's complete. Let's show you in the back so it looks like that. Now I just need to grab some water and we're gonna wipe off all these chalk marks. Here you go. Isn't it so cool? It looks complicated, but it's so easy to do. So if you like it, I hope you enjoy it. Share it, subscribe, and then I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.